Washing your clothes is unavoidable, but it doesn't need to be expensive. Here are 6 easy ways to save money doing laundry. Number 1. Wash at 30 degrees. Since about 80% of each wash cycle's energy usage can be attributed to heating the water, one of the easiest ways to save on laundry is to turn down the temperature. Unless clothes are heavily soiled, a short 30 degrees Celsius cycle should be perfectly adequate and will use around 40% of the energy of a warmer one. In fact, you only need to choose a longer, hotter cycle if you're washing towels, bedding, or when you specifically need to kill bacteria. Number 2. Wash clothes at cheaper times. Did you know that doing laundry at peak hours, such as 5 to 7 p.m, can be more expensive than other times of the day? Depending on your energy tariff, the price per kilowatt hour can be higher at peak hours. It's often cheaper to run your washing machine at night or in the early hours of the morning. Many machines have a delay setting, so you can load it before bed and then set it to start the cycle when energy is cheaper. However, this isn't a good idea if the washing machine will disturb you or the neighbours at night. Number 3. Wear clothes for longer and only wash full loads. While this may sound obvious, you'd be surprised how many garments are washed more often than they need to be. Likewise, though it may be tempting to wash a handful of garments partway through the week, doing one full load is always cheaper than doing 2 small ones. Just be careful not to overload your machine, as this can put unnecessary strain on the mechanisms and reduce the effectiveness of the cycle. 3/4 full is perfect. 4. Line dry clothes whenever possible. Another simple way to save money on laundry is by line drying your clothes whenever you can, rather than putting them in the tumble dryer. Warm, sunny weather isn't essential. You just need a dry day with low humidity and ideally a breeze to speed up the drying process. If you do decide to use your tumble dryer, keep the lint filter clean to maintain the machine's efficiency, and use a dryer with a sensor that automatically shuts the machine off once your laundry is dry. Number 5. Cut back on the amount of detergent you use. If you can see suds frothing in the machine while your clothes are being cleaned, you're probably using too much detergent. Read the box or bottle to determine the recommended dose rather than eyeballing it. And number 6. Switch to a supermarket brand of laundry detergent. Many supermarket detergents are made in the same factories as those by leading manufacturers, but cost much less. You might be able to get twice as many washes out of a supermarket brand detergent for the same price as a big name brand. I hope this video has helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more home care, laundry and washing machine tips. Thanks for watching.